Bro, anybody here that say Kartel with the bad man side of the thing, we get himself in a certain things and really, we glad say him see a different line, no one him say, yo, no can't draw me back na that. Zane, me happy for that. But when it comes down to music, Kartel teach everybody around him for DJ. Enough artists give artists helping on boy, you know. You give artists helping on, everybody give artists helping on boy. But not to the magnitude that some people do it. Right? Because we don't get the opportunity for that. Some man bring a studio and beg a producer advice you. Kartel was writing for people. Maybe the business side should have been taken care of. Some people will agree or disagree on the business side of it. I know my business that. Because you're supposed to get a lawyer to deal with the business or whatever the situation is. Or get people around and we can deal with the business. But when it comes down to Kartel, Kartel makes some artists, boy, I never even know so them can DJ, brother. Least I hype of them, I never know so them can DJ, brother. I hear them first. Go back, go watch all of the something them when they try DJ. Kartel sit down and teach them for DJ. And write song give them, bro. Gaza Slim. And me, she did the wrong, brother. The car go studio and I say, I know music you want to do. Come out. Like how Steely call out people. I know music you want to do. She grew up right side of my mother. Gaza Slim. Yeah. And I say, when you're ready for the music, link me. Then I studio, she not sound like what she saw now. I can't tell them teacher. So that, when the people say Kartel, bad mind are rare, I don't want them get that from Massacre song system. Because Massacre truth should not spread the overall message. Or paint the overall picture when it comes down to Kartel. And as I say, if Kartel do something when I know say, he's not supposed to do, and I know say him to do better, I have to talk same way, brother. But I never hide the glory. Just like I say, conscience is one of the youth them way. When you go out there, you know you're going to get a great show.